Tracking your forecast on this Weather Action Day, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. Lots of wind, rain, and snow across the state as a winter storm moves in. For the valley, anywhere from about a quarter to a half an inch of rain in the forecast now through tomorrow night. It's not just this storm we're tracking, it's another one right behind it that'll bring another chance for rain Friday evening to the valley. Up north, the snow level will be falling to around 3,500 feet in elevation. Light dusting possible in the higher terrain spots just north and east of the valley, and about 6 to 12 inches in the forecast along the Mogollon Rim, maybe even a little bit more in Flagstaff. 12 to 18 in the forecast with these two back-to-back storms that'll keep snow chances going into Saturday across the high country. 1 to 2 inches for Sedona, 2 to 4 in Prescott, 4 to 6 in Payson and Heber, and 6 to 8 in the Show Low area, with Pine Top at 8 to 12 inches of snow out of these back-to-back storms. So your high country travel forecast here shows really hazardous conditions across the roads in the high country tonight. Even heading into Friday night, there may be a little bit of a lull in activity by about midday Friday in between storms, but we're still going to see lots of slick and icy roads, so extreme caution is recommended throughout the day on Friday if you have to travel across the high country. And then again, conditions start to deteriorate Friday evening into Saturday as that second storm gets here. More gusty winds and blowing snow that'll lead to low visibility once again Friday night into Saturday morning. Here's the big picture. This is the major storm coming through right now, but the second one right behind it, again, bringing more rain and snow to the state Friday night and Saturday. That clears out by Saturday night, and high pressure returns, which will warm things up quite a bit as we head into early next week. But tomorrow, it is going to be a chilly day. Temperatures more than 15 degrees below normal. We start in the 40s. We end up just near 60 degrees. Normal for this time of year is 77. And we bring rain chances back into the forecast for your evening commute here on Friday. Here's what Futurecast shows. Noon tomorrow, rain starting to push into western Arizona. About 4 o'clock or so, it comes into the valley. Snow continues to fall across the high country, and we keep these chances going through the late night hours. Lows tonight, teens and 20s along the rim. It's going to be really cold across the high country, and tomorrow we're only going to see high temperatures in the 30s in Flagstaff, Heber, and Show Low. Phoenix again at 60 degrees for tomorrow, but warming back into the 80s by the start of next week. Then another storm system moves in on Tuesday. More wind, rain, snow, and a big drop in temperatures in your forecast.